Welcome to a special edition of Shop Talk. We're looking at that Stihl MS 880 chainsaw. That's a 121cc. Very big, powerful chainsaw. You should have some special training if you're going to run one of these big saws. This one features a Canon Super Bar, 60-inch long, and that is a 3/8 pitch, .063 gauge, chisel bit, skip sequence, very popular chain on these long bars. And we'll look at some of the features this saw has. Just to get a comparison of how big this is compared to most of the saws, here's a very popular saw that just kind of tucks in beside it there. You can see the difference. The 880 has some very professional features we'll go over. It has the large Western falling spikes. You see those, match set. Has the large wrap handlebar. Twist lock caps. Got the elasto starter, very nice feature on this high compression motor. It does feature a decompression valve on top, which you really need to use. Twist lock caps. Has the foot pad for starting this high compression motor. Heavy duty filter system. Very nice. If you're needing one of these large chainsaws, and if you have any questions about your large chainsaws, feel free to call me.